Okay, so back to the session. I said we have to calculate and fill this spaces where it's missing, and then we'll take it from there, right? So start with the cash receipts journal, and then as I said that with the cash receipt journal, and or maybe all the subsidiary journals, these are the totals of everything. Like, you know, we will prepare the subsidiary journals from the beginning, transaction by transaction, but now they prepared them for us. What we need to do is to calculate what is missing here. So I said it to you earlier on that the total, this total is made out of our sales plus our VAT plus our debtors minus discount plus our sundry. We will get our total bank, right? So, but we don't have VAT and we don't have cost of sales. And I said I did not count cost of sales, that it will be utilized to calculate the total bank because it's already in the sales. And I also explained that, remember, sales is equal to cost of sales plus the profit. Then we made sales. So if we are going to add cost of sales, we will be adding it twice here. So I hope that one is clear. Don't mistake me. Don't utilize cost of sales anyway in the cash receipt channel when you are doing posting to ledger. But we will calculate cost of sales utilizing the markup that is given there, right? So this was the calculation that I was doing earlier, that in order for us now to calculate VAT, we are going to say our bank, which is 62,840 minus our sales 33,193 minus our debtors, which is 5,090 plus our discount allowed minus our sundry. How much is your VAT there? How much is your VAT there? Please help with calculation. How much is your VAT? How much is your VAT?
Are we following the calculation you've done
Yes.
at the bottom? Like
Right.
62 minus 33, 5 plus 90 minus 20.
Correct. We're utilizing that one.
It's equal to 4,647.
How much?
4,647.
You're saying I'm getting 4,000.
647.
Okay. Does everyone get that? 4,000. You're saying 4,000.
647.
647. Like that, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'll just highlight this into yellow so that we know. When we come back and record, we know what we're recording. Right? And then let's calculate our cost of sales. Our cost of sales, if you check, they give us, okay, our VAT you said is 4,647, right? That's fine. And then our cost of sales. Our cost of sales is equal to, let's check there. They are saying the business maintains a markup of 25% on cost price. The VAT is 15% where applicable. Okay, sharp. Now we need to calculate our cost of sales. Our cost of sales is going to be like this. It's markup on cost, right? So markup on cost, we're going to determine everything in this manner. Cost price, that's equal to 100%. And then markup is given there. It's equal to 25%. And then our selling price or our sales, it's equal to 125%. That's markup on cost. When they say calculate markup on cost price, you do that. So now, in this case, they gave us our sales. Our sales is given this 33,193. And then we're going to say multiply by the percentage for the amount we're looking for. So we're looking for the percentage for, we're looking for the cost of sales. So the percentage of the cost of sales is 100%, right? So when we get here, we're going to say multiply by 100%, divide by the percentage of sales. The percentage of sales is 125. Therefore, you'll get your cost of sales. How much? The cost of sales. How much is your cost of sales there?
It's
How much?
it's 26,554.
80?
26.
Correct.
26.
Yeah,
The same is
26,500.
26,554.
Yes.
Yes, I can hear. He's saying it's 26,554, right?
Yeah. Yes.
That's correct. That's correct. We'll do this. I'll highlight it in yellow there. Correct. So, and then, we're done with the two. And then remember, I said for you, if you want to calculate bank, you add everything here, you minus your discount, right? But you don't include cost of sales, because tomorrow they might not give you sales. You must know how you're gonna get your sales. They might not give you debtors and give you other things. You might know how you're gonna get your debtors. They might not give you discount and give you everything else, and then you need to know how you can get your discount. Or they might not give you something, or they might not give you something, or they might not give you bank. I want you guys to go and sit when you are practicing. Assume you don't have bank, how to get it. Tomorrow, assume you don't have sales and you don't have debtors, how to get it. Like always, because it's not always going to be like this, or it's not this thing, that this is not always the case. You need to assume when you practice that, okay, maybe I don't have this today. Let me see how can I get it with the same question that we're doing, so that you can master everything, right? So let's proceed to the cash payment journal. If you check in the cash payment journal, they gave us everything except for bank. And I said bank is the total of everything except for discount when I was explaining in the cash receipt journal. It is the same. Nothing changes. It is the same. With like this, these two are the same. It's just that the other one is the cash payment, the other one is the cash receipt, but the principles are the same. It's minus like minus plus. So the principles are the same. So in order for you to get your bank for cash payment journal, you have to say sundry here. I'm no longer going to type down. I just wanted you to understand the up there. You're just going to have to say sundry here minus your discount plus your creditors plus your VAT plus your trading inventory. Or you can start this slide and say trading inventory plus VAT plus creditors minus discount plus sundry. You'll get your total bank there. How much is your total bank? If people were listening, how much is your total bank?
It's 42,408.
Correct.
42,408. Correct. Okay. Let's move. I hope everyone is following. And if you're not following, please stop me so that I can explain. then we proceed, right? So don't want anyone to be left behind, right? Can we move to Creditors General? The following is Debtors General. Can we move to Debtors General? Hello?
Sure.
Can we move to Debtors General?
Yes, we can.
With the Debtors General, they give you only one amount. Only one amount, right? Only one amount. They gave you only one amount. Now, and then you need to calculate total there. You also need to calculate the VAT, and you need to calculate the cost of sales. Which one is easy for you maybe to do, if I may start there? Which one do you think you can calculate? Remember, they said VAT is 15%. They also give you markup. You don't change the principle that I've shown here. So it's the same thing. You can actually basically get everything in order. And remember, the total is not going to include cost of sales always. The total is going to be only VAT plus sales, then you get the total, right? So now, which one can you get quickly? If I were you, maybe I'll go for VAT, because VAT is easy, and they said VAT is 15%. Or I can go for cost of sales. I can go for cost of sales, but it doesn't matter. I would like you guys to start with the VAT. Remember, you have to just say VAT of VAT. To calculate VAT, you have to say 50,000 the sales price, multiply by 15, because they said VAT is 15%, divided by 100. How much are you getting there? That's how you're going to get
7,500.
7,500. So VAT. It means your VAT will come here, 7,500. Now, that means your total debtors is going to be VAT plus your sales, right? So how much is it? 57,500.
57,500.
Yes. 57,500. And then now you need to calculate your cost of sales. Your cost of sales, you don't change anything. You come here, you follow this, right? Follow this. Follow all of this. Let me just copy and do the calculations there, down there. Let me copy. I will remove these ones only. And then nothing changes. You still have this, right? Your markup, 100, 25%, 125. So now, but now we are looking again for what? For cost of sales. What do we have? We have our sales. We have our sales. Now our sales is equals to 50,000 rent. So we're gonna say 50,000 multiplied by 50,000 multiplied by, what do we want? Well, we're looking for cost price, right? The percentage of cost price is 100. You're gonna multiply by what you're looking for. Multiply by 100, divide by the percentage of the sales. The percentage of the sales is 125. Then you'll get your cost of sales. How much is your cost of sales? How much is your cost of sales?
That's 40,000.
40,000. Okay, correct. The cost of sales is 40,000. I don't know if you guys are following. Do you understand? Are you fine? Do you guys understand? 40,000. Okay. Guys, are you following? Hello? Are you guys
Yes,
following?
we are.
Yes, we are following.
Okay, and then we're done with the debtors journal, and then we can go to our creditors journal. Our creditors journal, if you check, they did not give us the total creditors there, right? They did not give us the total creditors. We're just gonna add everything there.
Yes.
We're just gonna add everything.
Yes.
Right? How much are you having there? You just have to add everything. The totals, everything. How much do you have there? The creditors, if it's like this, you just have to add everything. But remember, I said to you, remember, you must know how to go forward and backward. Sometimes assume they didn't give you this 50 of stationery, how to get it. Sometimes assume they didn't give you this VAT, but they gave you other things, how to get it. So you need to
14,000.
calculate like that. Is how much? Yes, Banel, is how much? Hello?
It's 148,000 257. It's
That's correct.
148,257.
Okay, 140.
That's great. I'm sorry.
48.
48,000.
257.
257.
Yes.
Okay. No, it's fine, Banele. We understand. It's late, ne? Eh? It's late, Banele. You can't.
Yeah, it's late, man. Yo.
Okay. So, I hope guys you are hearing me when I give these ideas and maybe advice that guys, it's not always going to be like this. Sometimes they might not give you this trading inventory. Sometimes they might not give you this VAT. Sometimes they might not give you this. So you need to go and assume that and try to calculate back and until you find the correct answers when you practice, right? Because the most of the work is not here. These things that you are doing that do not have marks per se, but we get the correct answers here or the correct amounts here, then we're gonna post to the ledger. That's when we get marks. Okay, so let's calculate this one of debtors allowances. They only gave us the total, right? And remember, I said to you, the total is this plus VAT is sales or sales returns here, since it's a debtors allowances account, sales returns plus VAT. But when you check, they did not give us anything, they only gave us the total, right? So this total is VAT inclusive. Is VAT inclusive? This total is VAT inclusive. This total is VAT inclusive. Okay. This I'm just gonna put in right there. This is VAT inclusive. So when I say something is VAT inclusive, it means that amount includes VAT. Now we need to calculate the amount that does not include VAT. This one is VAT exclusive, and then this one is the VAT amount. So in order for us to get this, we need to let's start by calculating our VAT. Okay? Our VAT is going to be equal to our VAT is going to be equal to our VAT is going to be equal to the total, which is 10,26,0 multiplied by 15 divided by 115. It's like this. This total is VAT inclusive, and then this one is VAT exclusive. And then VAT inclusive, remember VAT percentage, VAT itself is equal to 15%, right? And then VAT exclusive is equal to 100%. And then VAT inclusive is VAT plus VAT exclusive. So it's going to be equal to 115%. Just want you to get it. Where am I getting all of these? The calculation that I'm going to do here. So in order for me to get VAT, I'm going to say the VAT inclusive amount multiplied by the VAT percentage divided by the percentage for the VAT inclusive. Then I'll get a VAT. So how much is our VAT there? How much is our VAT there? How much is our VAT? Hello, are you guys still here? How much is our VAT?
1,000.
1,000.
338. 38.
1,338. Is everyone getting that? Is everyone getting 1,338?
Yes.
Correct, okay.
Yeah, not all.
All right. We are moving. Then our VAT is 1,338. And then
Yes.
in order for us to get our debtors allowances or sales returns,
Yes.
we can just say 10,260 minus VAT. We will get this one. Or we can say sales returns. Sales returns is equal to 10,260 multiplied by 100, which is the percentage of the sales returns, divide by 115. We will get the amount there. Or we can say 10,260 minus VAT. We will get our sales returns or our debtors allowances. How much? How much?
8,922.
8,922. So
Is it correct?
8,922. I hope so. Which one? Which method did you use? This one? You can prove. If you used this one, then now you use this one just to prove yourselves. You'll see.
Okay,
yourself.
I used the one here, 10,260 minus VAT. But then
Okay.
let me do with this other method.
And I believe it's correct. Vanele, is it correct? Are you getting the same amount?
8.
Yeah,
Oh, but
getting the same amount.
8,922.
Okay. So we're all getting 8,922. So we are good to move, ne? Are we fine? Can we proceed? Sawaki, are you fine?
Yes, we can proceed.
We're going to calculate cost of sales now, right? We're going to calculate cost of sales. Remember, our markup is on cost. And then the principle of the markup on cost says when the markup is on cost price, then our cost price is equal to 100%. And then our markup is given, remember, is 25%. And then our selling price is going to be 125%, which is our cost price plus our markup. Right? And then what do we have here? We have our sales or our sales returns there, right? Our sales returns, we're going to utilize that amount of 8,922. It means if you got this one wrong, then your cost of sales won't be correct. Can you see that? So now let's calculate our cost of sales. Let's calculate our cost of sales. Our cost of sales is equal to our sales returns, which is 8,922 multiplied by 100, which is the percentage of the cost price, divided by the percentage of the selling price of sales, which is 125. Then how much is your cost of sales there? What is your cost of sales there? How much is your cost of sales?
$7,138.
7138. Is everyone getting 7138? Is everyone getting 7138? Is everyone getting 7138? I'm getting it as well. It's 7138. So that's why I wrote it. Is everyone getting 7138? But I disappeared. Are you back? Okay. And then we said we got 7138. Finally, can you hear me? I guess network is the problem. But anyway, let's proceed to listen to the recording. So now we are done there. Then the last one. The last one. The last one, which is creditors allowances. They gave us the total, they gave us the trading inventory, and then we're going to have to calculate VAT. Stationary is not there, we don't have it, right? So we're going to put there. There's no stationary at all. Because there's no way we can get it. Unless if maybe they give us additional information somewhere. But it's only these things. So here we do not have our stationary. So remember I said to you, in order for you to get the total, you have to say VAT plus trading inventory, you will get the total, right? Now they give you the total, which is creditors, and they give you the trading inventory. How can you get the VAT then? And remember, as the same is, remember it's inclusive. Again, just to inclusive. It's inclusive and exclusive of VAT, right? And then this is your VAT. So how much is your VAT there? Then we can proceed to go and calculate and record this into the required part. Because remember I told you, doing all of these calculations does not guarantee you any mark. The only thing that you're gonna give you marks is when you prepare this. But you're gonna take those amounts that you've calculated there and then post. That's why I'm saying is posting to the ledger account, right? So how much is your VAT there in rent? Nothing changes. Remember, your inclusive VAT is equal to 115%. And then your exclusive is equal to 100%. And then your VAT is equal to 15. So how much is your VAT? I want to see if people were listening and we're doing the right things going until, and I want to see
3,000.
your VAT is 3,000. See, right? Your VAT is 3,000. It's not even that difficult. You can just say 23,000 minus 20,000, you get to 3,000, or you can say 23,000 multiplied by 15 divided by 115. We're still gonna get your 3,000. We don't have stationary. We're done. Right now we have to go to the required part and get answers and get marks. Now we all got these amounts everywhere, but now we need to go and do the things that will get us marks now, right? So the first one there they requested is bank, right? So the first one they requested there is bank. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna share the whole of my screen so that you can see what I'm doing. I hope you can see. And then I'm gonna come this side. We take amounts. I'm gonna go to the answer sheet so that we record. So here we only record total receipts. That means we're gonna get the total receipts from the cash receipt journal, and then we're gonna record the total payment. It means we're gonna get that from the cash payment journal, right? So let's go there. Let's go there. You see our total cash receipt journal is 62840. Then we're gonna take that 62840 to the bank under total receipts, right? So let me go there now. You're gonna come here and say 62840, and then again we're gonna go back to our calculations, and then we check our cash payment. Total cash payment is 42408. We go to our answer sheet and record 42408, right? And then we done like that. Then the total is going to be 62 because it's the bigger side. 840. Even here, this side is going to be 62840. And then we're gonna say 62840 minus 42408. How much are you getting?
20432.
20432. Is everyone getting that? Guys, let's communicate.
Yes, that's
And
correct.
then we'll come here. It's going to be, this is the closing balance of our bank account, and then it will be an opening for the following period, right? So it's going to be 20432. Then we're done. That's fine. And then can we move to our trading inventory if people understand? Can we go to our trading inventory account? Hello? Can we move?
Yes.
Okay, when we move, right, we are going to start with the debit side, and then go to the credit side, debit side, credit side, right? So when we record inventory, the inventory is going to be recorded at its own cost price or cost of sales, right? Whether we are recording from the cash payment journal, whether we are going to record from the debtors allowances journal, whether we're going to record from the cash receipt journal or the creditors journal, or we're going to record from the debtors journal or creditors allowances journal, we are going to record the inventory on its own cost, right? So let's start. Let's go to our accounts there, our journals there. Let's start with it. So when I say we are going to record inventory according to its cost of sales, you see this one under cash receipt journal, we're going to record this cost of the inventory. This cost represent the value of the inventory. So we're going to record inventory on its own value, right? So this one, this cost of sales here will go to our answer sheet S26554. You see, it's cost of sales of the inventory from the cash receipt journal, and then this is the price, right? Then we're done from the cash receipt journal. Let's go to our cash payment journal. Under our cash payment journal, we are going to record the trading inventory, which is 16761. We're going to look at the inventory. In the cash payment receipt journal, we were looking at cost of sales. When we go to the trading, to the cash payment journal, we're going to look at trading inventory column and take the total 16761. 16,761. So let's go to our answer sheet there. When you go to our answer sheet, we're gonna go to where they said bank CPJ, bank cash payment from the cash payment journal, which is 16,761, right? Then we're done. And then let's go to our calculations again. When we move to our calculations, we got what a debtors journal, cost of sales. We look at the cost of sales. We look at the cost of sales. Okay, and then let's go to our answer sheet. Our cost of sales in the under debtors journal is 60,000. Here, cost of sales from debtors journal. These folios are very important when you prepare, because it will indicate where does this thing come from. So it you see it's cost of sales, but this one is from cash receipt journal, and then this one is from debtors journal, which is 40,000. Right? And then let's proceed and check our calculations again. We're done with the debtors journal. Let's proceed. Creditors journal, we are going to look at the inventory. Right? The inventory, 100,000. Okay, so let's go to our answer sheet. Let's go to our answer sheet. Our answer sheet, you see, creditors control, a CJ, creditors journal, 100,000. You're gonna go there and say 100,000. So this part of the folio is very important. You see, there's creditors control, but this one we know is from creditors journal, and then this one is going to be from creditors allowances journal. So I hope you understand that part. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's proceed. Let me check our calculations again. And then we are having debtors allowances journal. This is DAJ. And then we're going to look at our cost of sales, right? Of 7138. So that 7138 will come here. Will come here where they say cost of sales DAJ. 7138. I hope it's correct. And then can we proceed? Let's proceed. We are left with cash. We are left with creditors allowances journal. Creditors allowances journal. So let's go there. Creditors allowances journal. Let's go to our calculations. Creditors allowances journal. We're gonna need to look for trading inventory that exclude VAT 20,000. And then let's go to our answer sheet there. Let's go to our answer sheet. Our answer sheet. There we go. 20,000. 20,000. And then now we check which side is bigger here. The bigger side is the debit side, right? So you're gonna say 16,000 plus 761 plus 7138 plus 100,000. You'll get your total. How much is your total? How much is your total? 16,761 plus 7,138 plus 100,000. How much?
123,899.
1, 2, 3,
899.
899. Even this side, your total is going to be the same. 1, 2, 3, 899. I hope everyone is getting that amount. And then we're gonna say 123,899 minus 26,554 minus 40,000 minus 20,000. We will get our closing balance there. That will make both sides to be equal. How much? How much is your balance credit down? Balance credit down.
37345.
37345. That's
Yes.
correct. And then this close is a closing balance. The carry down is a closing balance. It will be an opening here for next period 37345. Then we're done with the trading inventory account. We're done with that. Then let's go to the debtors control account. Let's go to the debtors control account. Right. If you check here, they gave you banks from CPJ, DJ, which is debtors journal, CRJ, DAJ, and then we close. It's easy. So let's go and find our debtors under CRJ first. Let's go get our balance of debtors from CRJ. Let's go to our calculations. Let's go to our calculations back to our cash receipt journal. So our debtors under cash receipt journal is 5,090. Can you see that? 5,090. 5,090. Right? So we'll go to our answer sheet and come this side and say 5090. Then we're good, right? And then let's go and look at our bank, our credit, our debtors under CPJ. Our debtors under cash payment journal. Our debtors under cash payment journal. Do we have any debtors there?
No, there's no debtors.
We don't have. Okay, if we do not have, we'll go back to our answer sheet and put a dash there. There's nothing, right? And then let's go to our debtors journal. Let's go to our debtors journal and look for sales. Let's go to debtors journal and look for sales. And our debtors and look for sales. How much is your sales there? We are going to take the total. Ne? We're going to take this total 5,750. Ne? Because you see, I said you see there they indicated for you that it's sales plus VAT. So it's sales that include VAT, right? So remember, and then if you check from your calculations, total sales plus VAT is equals to 5,750, right? So that's why we are taking that one. They even indicate for us is sales and VAT. So it's going to be 5,750. 5,750. And then let's go look our debtors allowances plus VAT.
Sorry, Dollar, can I ask?
Yes.
So they buy debtors journal. When they say sales plus VAT, are we not going to calculate the 5,750 using VAT, or we just leave it as is? We just put the sale.
I'm not sure if I get you.
And get it says sales plus VAT.
Yeah, sales.
Are
and
we not
VAT.
gonna say 56? Or is
You
that
want us-
5,7?
You wanted us to say what, to indicate in brackets? I don't know if I get you.
I think so.
You wanted us to
Yes.
say open brackets and indicate calculations like 50,000 plus
Yes.
plus 7,500 like that.
Yeah. So we
It's
understand. So
already. For now, we don't
no.
have, because it's already done this side.
Oh, okay. It's already calculated. That five.
already
That's what I
done,
wanted to
because-
ask.
Okay, because I don't want you to go and waste time on the things that won't give you marks. It's already
Oh,
done. We already said this plus this, of which is the total. They just take the
Oh,
total
okay.
and
Okay.
take that side.
Okay. Okay.
You understand?
Yes. Now I get it. I was a
Okay,
bit
right.
confused.
Okay, no problem. I'm glad that I understood what you were trying to ask. Okay, so now let's go and get these data allowances plus VAT. It's the same thing that happened this side. Let's go, you'll see. Let's go to our data allowances channel. Our data allowances journal, there we go. We're going to take the total because the total is VAT plus data allowances, right? Then we'll get 10,260, which is this plus that, right? So we're just going to come here and say 10,260. I hope everyone understands now. Sharp. And then now we are done. And then when we check, the bigger side is the debit side. So we have 57,500. And then even this side, we're gonna say, we're gonna say 57,500. See, and then you're gonna say 57,500 minus 5,090 minus 10,260, and then you'll get your closing balance there. How much is your closing balance, or how much is your balance credit down? Your balance carried down, how much?
42150.
42150, correct? And then this is your closing balance, and it will be your opening balance in the following period. 42150. We're done with that, right? You see, once you know what, where, from what to where, because you should know I'm taking from this journal to this control account of to this ledger account. So that's what you need to master. And then let's go to our VAT control. In the VAT control, we are going to look at VAT, and then you must understand. We are going to look at VAT. You see, we're going to look at VAT from cash payment journal. We're going to look at VAT from cash receipt journal. We're going to look at VAT from debtors journal. We're going to look at VAT from creditors allowances journal. We're going to look at VAT from creditors journal. Like everything that we're going to do here, we're going to record VAT from each and every subsidiary journal, right? So let's go and check our VAT. I'm starting with the cash receipt journal. It's always because it's the first one up there. So let's start. Let's start. We're going to look at VAT only, right? You see, our VAT from the cash receipt journal is 4647, right? So we'll go to our answer sheet. We'll go to our answer sheet, and on the credit side here, and say 4647, right? And then we'll go to our cash payment journal and look at VAT, okay, right? Cash payment journal and look at VAT. Let's go there. Cash payment journal, our VAT is 2347 here. Our VAT is this one. So we'll go back to our answer sheet and say 2347, right? And then let's proceed. We're going to look at our debtors journal. Our debtors journal. We're going to look at our debtors journal. I think it's the following journal here. We're going to look at VAT. So our VAT this side is 7,500, right? 7,500. So we'll go to our answer sheet under debtors journal and say 7,500, right? 7,500. And then we'll go to our creditors journal, CJ here, because it's the following one now. So go to the following one. Okay. Let's go. Our VAT here is how much? Our VAT is 18,207, right? So we're gonna take that one. 18,207. 18,207. So let's go to our answer sheet. And 18,207. 18,207. And then we are going to our creditors allowances journal, CAJ. Let's go there. No, there we go. Your VAT is 3,000. So we're gonna take that 3,000 into our answer sheet there. 3,000. And then I left debtors allowances journal. Let's go to our debtors allowances journal in the calculations. Our debtors allowances in the calculations. Our VAT is 1338. Let's go to our answer sheet and record. Our VAT is 1338. So it's going to come there 1338. And then the bigger side, I think by the look of things, the bigger side is the debit side, right? The bigger side is the debit side. So just add everything from the bigger side and get the total. 2347 plus 1338 plus 18207, 2347 plus 1338 plus 18,207. How much is your total?
2, 1.
21,000.
Okay.
Two
You can
one.
say Banel.
It's 21892.
21892. Is everyone getting that?
Yes.
21892. And then you know we're balancing, right? To balance, we're gonna say our total on the credit side, which is 21862, is 21892, right? Hello, Banen?
Yes, it's right.
Yes.
Okay, and then we're gonna say 21892 minus 4647 minus 7500 minus 3000. How much is your balance there?
I'm getting 6,745.
You're getting
6,745.
6,745. Is everyone getting that?
Yes.
Okay, therefore this is your balance carried down, which is your closing balance, and it will be your opening balance in the following period, 745. Sharp. Then that's all. We're done with our VAT control. So you see, when you get to VAT control, we are going to look at VAT. So you need to master these things, these folios, because they are very important. If you master them, you draw this thing, you know what you have, you're just gonna copy paste after calculating the right amount that side. So now we are going for creditors control. I think is the last account, fortunately for the night. So with this one, we are going to look at your cash payment journal, where they are saying creditors. We are going to look at cash cash payment journal, where they say creditors, and then you're going to look at the purchases returns, which is going to be our CAJ, and then you're going to look at the total of purchases, which is under creditors journal. Let's go. You'll see what I'm talking about. Now I might be talking about something that you do not see, do not understand, but you will understand. Let's go to our answer sheet. Basically, we're going to look at our cash payment journal, right? That's the first thing we're gonna do. Our creditors under the cash payment journal is 8340. 8340. So we're gonna take that 8340 here. 8340 comes there, right? And then we will go to our creditors journal. This one of sundry purchases there, right? We're going to our creditors journal. When we get here, we are going to take the total. Ne? That sundry purchases is the total purchases of creditors, right? So we are going to take that one and go to our answer sheet and record. Right? It's 148. Sorry. 148,257. right? And then we will go to our CAJ, which is our creditors allowances journal under calculations there. We are here. We are going to take the total there, right? 23,000. We are going to take that 23,000 and record 23,000 will come here, 23. Then we are done.